Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the project overview of the residential project L&T Island Curve by L&T Realty located in Mahim, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. We are standing at the main entrance. We will also show you the actual land parcel later in this video, and for now you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. From the left of the road, you can go to Mahim railway station, and from the right, you can go to the highway. In this video, we will be discussing what points like overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. As you can see, this over here is the actual land parcel of the project. You can have a look at the actual tower where the construction is in full swing. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 2.5 acres that will have 3 towers of ground plus 5 podium plus 28 and 34 residential floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located at Sion Link Road, Vrindavan Lane, Mahim West, from where you have Mahim railway station at a distance of 600 meters, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 1.5 kilometers, and you have Geo World Drive at a distance of 2.5 kilometers from the project. And now speaking of amenities, this project has 40 plus luxurious amenities that will include a swimming pool, gym, banquet hall, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configurations and the carpet areas, as said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 734 to 800 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1045 to 1400 square feet. Speaking of the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project L&T Island Curve by L&T Realty located in Mahim, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.